Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is E, and today we're talking about Scorbunny. But first I need to tell you something. This Pokemon's gonna help me. He's from my birthday. Are you excited to see him? Well, he's not that new. He's going to help me describe about all of the following videos. And now let's see who is it going to be. And Pichu can climb on me because look. Even though I'm not talking about him, he can still help me. Now let's do the roll call. Pichu, 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 Pichu. There's 15. Pichu, Pichu. And right now we're starting off on 6. That's Scorbunny. Scorbunny. Pichu. And we already talked about Raichu, Walu, Vaporeon, Eevee, and Charmander, so we're doing Scorbunny. Usually, Pichu and Scorbunny are buddies. I don't know why. Because they have both long ears. Well, Pichu does not have a long ear. Well, sometimes they fight because some friends fight with their other friends. Scorbunny has these long ears. It's longer than Pichu's. Right, Pichu? Pee-pee. Scorbunny is a bunny because he kicks rocks, and it's like I score and it's a bunny. Look, I scored into the racket. And he has a Pokemon tag. Yay, 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 yay. He has legs and he has a feet. But Pichu just has feet, not legs. How come some Pokemon doesn't have any legs? That's weird. They only have feet, but they don't even have any legs. That's weird. He has feet, and Ghost Scorbunny has feet, and look, he can do this. High five with his foot. He's trying to do Ember, but then he evolved to Rabbit because he was trying to practice Ember, and then when he was kicking like this, really fast, like that, and then he started go throw the rock, and then he was like, and then kick. Then Team Rocket was blasting off. They always blast. He's silver because anniversary special. His colors are taking off. I wonder why. Maybe because it can take off easily. And I had this for 2 years when I was 4 years old. And his silver is coming off because look, here's one on his leg, here's one on his tummy, and there's one in here. And when I buy this, I was going to the man and then I said, how much is it? Because I don't know how much is it because it's on special. But Pichu. And he has little whiskers. Whiskers. Whee! Yay, whiskers. Pichu, you don't have whiskers, right? You have cheeks only. Beep. And another one input that's supposed to be pink. But I think it's red. I don't know. Whatever. It's not like all white. So his head is so big than his body. How come our body is bigger than our head, even though his head is bigger than his body? That's weird. How come his head is bigger than his body? So his head is like, body is like this big. Wait, this big. And his head's like this big. I wonder why. Why? And his tag says Pokemon. Of course. because all of these Pokemon have tags that say Pokemon, except for you and you and you and whatever. Blah blah blah. And his mouth is open. Open, and look at this. This is how I smile. Yeah. And he has a color. It looks like what? Why does Scorbunny even have a color anyway? Color right here. Color. The original color is white. Not all white, like white. This is white, and that's white, and that's white, and that's white, and that white, that white, that white, that white, and that white, and that white. It's not like that. And his eyes are like this. Why is his nose connected to his mouth? And his feet has a square in it. Square. So I saw a video about it's about Scorbunny, the Easter Bunny. And then Scorbunny didn't want to be the Easter Bunny, but Cinderace was his dad, and he was actually the Easter Bunny. Now you can look at the front. Now you can do the back. You can look at the ears. You can look at the face. You can look at the color, and you can look at his hand. You can look at his silly tail, because he used to do this at Ash and Go. And his tag, and you can look at his whiskers. You can look at his feet. You can look at his mouth. You can look at his nose. You can look at his eyes. It's all for Scorbunny today. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Next is Special Scorbunny.